What's up guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how you can get a promo code on TapTap Send for a Bangladeshi transfer. So let's get started. So first, once you open up your TapTap Send account, you will just need to select Bangladesh as a receiver country. So from here, once you have this set up, you can just go ahead and tap on add promo code. Now, if you take a look at the description below, you would be able to see a promo code that you can paste right here that will give you $5 free once you make this transfer. So again, just tap add promo code. Now just tap here and just paste the promo code from the description below. So this is the promo code that will give you 5 to 10 euros or dollars off your transfer to Bangladesh. So just take a look at the description down below and copy paste the code here. Now if you tap on enter, you can use the code. So I can't use it because it's my own code and I can't use my own code for my own transfer, but for you this will 100% work. So again, take a look at the description of the video below or a pinned comment and just paste that code right here. From there, just tap enter and the code will be applied. So that's guys how you can get a promo code for Bangladesh for TapTap Send. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.